Welcome our YouTube video and also followers of the lamp stove. This is a quick instructional video on how you can make a nice hot cup of tea using your own lamp. I'm using raw kerosene fuel in here, by the way. I'm not using the standard lamp fuel. This is raw kerosene fuel because it's very inexpensive and it does a great job. For those of you that are familiar with lamp stove, this is the original raw lamp stove. I've decided not to use a brand new one because I want it to be genuine in this video. This has been exposed outdoors for over a year. I haven't stored it inside or anything. I've been using it about 3 days a week outdoors to cook food, etc., etc. And it's still pretty decent. And it's still very effective. So I wanted to go with the original field tested model to show you how we can make a hot cup of tea. I'll go ahead and take the base off right here. Give you guys an idea of what we're going to be doing here. So I'll just take the springs off. Both these springs pop off, and then you got a piece right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the lamp off, the top of the lamp. And what we're going to do is, you see this pin right here that adjusts the flame. We're going to go ahead and make sure that this aligns with this, so it's nice and level. Okay, now what we have is a nice, sturdy and stable way we can cook some, well, not cook, but we can make a cup of tea. So let's go ahead and put a cup together. I'm going to be using 1 cup of water. So this is a stainless steel cup that's used in cooking. It's really convenient, really handy. So what I'm going to do is, I've got a cup of water right here, pour it in. That gives me about half a cup of standard water to the steel cup. The stainless steel cup fills up halfway to 1 cup of standard water. What I'm going to do next, put the cup on top like this. Now it is surprisingly stable. This will not fall as long as you don't bump it or move it or anything. But it remains incredibly stable, which is really, really cool, which is what you want. And I found from experience the best way to really get the most amount of energy out of this is to bring the flames up until it's just about touching the edge right there. And this will stay on here for between 5 to 15 minutes. And you can adjust the flame whatever you want. Now I've noticed also that you need to be careful there is no wind, but also that if you put too much flame on here, it's going to create a lot of what do you call it, black charcoal from the kerosene burning. But this is a really, really great way if you want to make a nice hot cup of tea. Now another observation is it will not get as hot as charcoal. That's normal because this is only a lamp that you use for, you know, lighting your environment or whatever. But I've noticed also that when it's done, I'm able to get a hot cup of tea here that's almost hot where it will burn your tongue. So this will get hot enough here when it's finished that when you're done, it will be nice and hot that you'll almost burn your tongue. So that's pretty much as hot as that you would want to get it anyway. So you leave this on here for about 15-20 minutes. I can ramp it up all the way like this, and I can get a pretty solid flame out of this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that thing is hot. So it'll get really nice and warm. So I'll go ahead and do a quick disassemble. Let you guys see this here really quick. So like I said, I like to use it just till it's about here, and it'll get nice and warm to where you don't have to worry about it being cold. I mean, it'll get, like I said, warm enough to where you'll be almost burning your tongue. So let's go ahead and remove the top here gently and carefully. That pops off just like that. And then once we've done making our hot cup of tea, we want to go ahead and go back to using our lamp again. And so that is how you make a nice warm hot cup of tea by using your lamp. hence the lamp stove. So once again, thanks for watching, and good luck in your camping efforts, and have a wonderful time outdoors. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.